Hello friends, thanks for clicking. I Dr. Dinesh welcomes you all. So in this series we will discuss about the quick publication journal that will publish within 30 days to 3 months. So this is the very important video to all of you. So it will cover all the journal related to the all fields like the computer science, electrical, electronics, mechanical, tourism, business, finance, commerce, art and humanity, social science, law. There are so many journal will be covered in this journal and very rapid publication journal. So first of all I would like to thank you all for your love and motivation. So first journal name is the International Journal of Data Mining and Bioinformatics. Published title is this particular ISSN number, online and print version. So it will published within your two types of category, online and print version. And publication time, the most important thing to all of you. So 8 issue per year means your research paper will get published within a 1.5 month maximum, as they are saying. So this is also the Scopus Index journal. This is the title and following types of the titles covered by this journal. So read it out carefully, and if we will talk about the publication charges, and so you can see here there is no charges for the publication, so you can publish your research paper freely. And if we will talk about the indexing, so this is also the indexing journal. So this is the Elsevier or Scopus Index journal and ACM. So there are so many things, and also the SCI Index journal. So explore this journal if your research area meet with this criteria. Next one is the International Journal of Business Innovation and Research. So this is the ISSN number of this journal, and your research paper will get published within a month, as they are saying 12 issues per year. So this is the very quick publication journal and rapid publication journal. And following types of the papers covered by this journal related to business, finance and also the strategy. So just explore these topics. If your research area meet with this criteria, then publish your research paper for this journal, and there is no publication charges for this journal. So explore this journal and you can publish your research paper freely. And this is also the Scopus Index journal and also many more indexing for this journal. Next category, International Journal of Electronics Business, and the ISSN number of print version is the 1476067, and publication time is the 3 months. So your research paper will get published within a 3 months. So you can see here this is the description of the journal, and topics covered by this journal are displayed here: assessing e-business, e-portal, e-banking, e-business. So if your research area meet with this criteria, then you need to submit your research paper. This is also the freely publication journal. There is no charges for publish your research paper or manuscript. And this is also the Scopus Index journal and also the DBLP, and there are so many indexing covered by this journal. Next one is the International Journal of Knowledge Based Development, ISSN number of this journal, both category, online and print version, and within 3 months your research paper will get published. And indexing, Scopus Index journal, there is no issue about the indexing, SCI Index and also the Scopus Index. And following types of the topics covered by this journal, like knowledge based value generation. So if your research area made with this particular topics and title, then need to submit your research paper for the publication, and there is no charges for the publication. So freely you can publish your research paper in this journal. Next journal name is the International Journal of Work Innovation. This is also the very good journal, and also this is the publication time 6 months it will take time to for the publication your research paper. And the topics covered by this journal is the managing knowledge, and also there are so many exciting topics covered by this journal. So you can publish your research paper freely, so there is no charges for the publication, and also the double blind review. So this is that is the very great thing about this journal. So explore this journal. And the Scopus Index journal, so there is no issue about the indexing. Next one is the International Journal of Tourism Anthropology, and publication time is the 4 issue per year means 3 months, where your research paper will get published within a 3 months. and following types of the topic covered by this journal. So explore these topics. If your research area meet with this criteria, then need to submit your research paper for the publication, and there is no charges for the publication. This is the Scopus Index journal, and also there are so many indexing covered by this journal, so you can publish your research paper freely. Next one is the International Journal of the Tourism Policy. Your research paper will get published within 3 months. So this is also the Scopus Index journal, and following types of the topics covered by this journal, like the tourism policy making, development planning, like the public administration of tourism development. So this is the very good journal to all of you, and research area will get published within a 3 months, and there is no charges for the publication, so you can publish your research paper freely. And if we will talk about the indexing, so this is also the Scopus Index journal, so there is no issue. Next one is the International Journal of Automotive Technology and Management. So your research paper will get published within 3 months, and site score is also the very good. This is the journal description, so read out it carefully. And important thing in this journal is, so this type of the topics covered by this journal, so like the business processing, re-engineering interface, R&D. So if your research area meet with this criteria, then need to submit your research paper. So supply chain management, there are the very good and wide coverage area of the topics, and there is no publication charges. You can publish freely. There is no APC for this journal, and this is the Scopus Index journal, so there is no issue about this journal. International Journal of Vehicle Autonomous Systems. So publication time is the 3 months. Your research paper will get published within a 3 months. This is the description of this journal, so you can read out it carefully. If your research area falls under this category, top aim and scope, then need to submit your research paper for the publication. There is no charges for the publication, and this is also the Scopus Index journal, and also there are the many indexing covered by this journal. So next one is the International Journal of Materials and Structural Integrity. ISSN number is given here, and this journal published your research paper within 3 months. You can read out it carefully. This is the description and introduction of the journal, and following types of the topic covered by this journal, like the advanced material for structure. So this is especially dedicated to the structural engineering, civil engineering student, and research engineering. So find out these topics. If your research area meet with this criteria, then need to submit your research paper, and these are the indexing. So a Scopus Index journal, there is no issue for the authenticity. So now next one is the International Journal of the Sensor Network, especially dedicated to the electronics and electrical students. So your research paper will get published within 1 month, because the 12 issues per year this InterScience published. So that is the very quickly publication journal and rapid publication journal. So explore this journal, and the impact factor is also the very good 1.4, and site score 2.4. So explore this journal, because this is the very rapid publication. Your research paper will get published within 1 month. So these types of the topics covered by this journal. So if your research area falls under this category aim and scope, then need to submit your research paper for the publication, and there is no charges for the publication. If we will talk about the indexing, so you can see here, this is the Scopus Index journal and also the SCI Index journal. So there is no issue about the authenticity of the journal. Next one is the journal, is the name is the International Journal of the Computer Application and Technology, and this is also the very rapid publication journal. This your research paper will get published within 1 month, and ISSN number in both category, online and print version. So you can see here, this is the description and introduction of the journal, and this is also the Scopus Index journal and also the SCI Index journal. You can see here, and these type of the topic covered by this journal you can see here. So this is also the not only the this cover, you can also explore the more on about this particular aim and scope. So if your research area, this is the very good and quickly publication your research paper, and freely. There is no APC, there is no charges, and there is no publication fees for this journal. So you can publish your research paper in this quickly publication journal. So explore this journal. So International Journal of the Space Science and Engineering, this is especially very good news to the space engineering students and researchers. And this journal published in 3 months, so your research paper will get published within a 3 month. This is also a very good journal to all of you. So these type of the topic covered by this journal, like space, planetary, planets. So if your research area falls under this category, you need to publish your research paper. And this is the Scopus Index journal and SCI Index journal, so there is no issue about the authenticity. Explore this journal to publish your research paper. Next one is the International Journal of the Cloud Computing. So this is also the very good news to the computer science researcher and IT researcher, and very specific topic, cloud computing. This is very hot or demanding topic in the market. So this journal published your research paper will get published in 3 months. And following types of the topic covered by this journal: auditing and monitoring, scheduling and resource registration. So if your research area falls under this category, then need to submit your research paper for the publication. There is no charge, all the journals are freely available, so you can publish your research paper free of cost. There is no publication charges. And this journal is the Scopus Index journal and DBLP journal, and there is many more journal indexing. So that's it for today. So friends, if you like this video, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो, आपको रिसर्च के लिए कुछ सपोर्ट किया हो, तो प्लीज़ शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड आल्सो लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल। अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए, आपको डेली नए टॉपिक्स पर वीडियो मिलते रहेंगे। अगर आपकी कोई क्वेरी है कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख दीजिए, डेफिनेटली आई विल मेक ए वीडियो स्पेशली फॉर यू। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।